Good morning, everybody. Welcome.
This is actually quite fun.
All right, we're up to day 2. First shot of the day.
Rolling sound. Action.
Hi, my name is Brandy Gueary. I am from Houston, Texas, and I'm a fashion, beauty, teacher, kind of catch-all content creator.
Come lean on me, gonna lean on you, gonna power up and power through.
Brandy is hilarious.
Let me twirl.
The physical comedy and spontaneity that she has brought to bringing this story to life is hilarious. You can tell she really lived this. She has this hilarious real story of slipping into a theater a little late.
Brutus hath told you that Caesar.
The actor is in the middle of a really quiet dialogue and her shoes just will not behave. They're squeaking the entire way down.
We're still rolling. Let's get set.
She's so good too. And she's so confident and cool that she just went with it and owned that moment, but took that moment to remind shoppers not to buy that pair of shoes.
I've had a squeaky shoe that I didn't have backup shoes for, so I had to wear them. So the commercial is about how we do the work so you don't have to walk through a theater for a play that's already started with a squeaky shoe. We can let you know, hey, break these in before you wear them out because they need to be, squeak-proofed. It's fun to play around with like the tiptoe, the step slide. Working with Hannah, she's so like a big deal. Oh man, no.
We selected Hannah because she actually is an SNL director, so she knows comedy. These spots are going to be super funny and relatable, and she really knows how to work with non-actors.
Wow, I totally missed that. Let's We had a call before to kind of talk about it, and Brandy was saying that she was afraid she was going to be like laughing during takes, and then literally she just walks in, just like crushes every shot. Yeah, it's been great.
I love that LTK is always thinking about the business of the woman or the business of the content creators. I'm excited to be a part of something with a brand, with a company that I also feel supported using and just from in general. I feel like we're getting closer to the end.
Brandy, we're gonna go again.
And I'm going
All right, guys.
back to go again.
Andrew?
Bye.
That was fantastic. Let's do one more like that.
Okay.
And action. Day 2, that's a wrap.